Hey participants and supporters of the Dolphinfish Research Program. For our March 2024 e-newsletter, we're leading off with a video statement that relates to our ongoing research in Puerto Rico that relates to dolphinfish. I'll jump right in. In the fall of 2016, we initiated a volunteer vessel catch and effort program to monitor charter, recreational, and small-scale commercial catch and effort. This research was and continues to be funded by the Puerto Rico Department of Natural Environmental Resources. We started this research to collect information about fish aggregating device catch and effort, and therefore this relates to our FAD research program, but obviously dovetails with our research on dolphinfish. We have logged a total of 2,596 fishing trips, and we'd like to share with you some of the observed patterns which relate to the health of the Puerto Rico offshore pelagic fishery. When examined by year over this time period, annual catch success has decreased from 65% to 49%. Annual catch success is defined as the number of annual trips anglers landed one target species, dorado, tuna, or wahoo, or released a billfish in an outing. Looked at another way, the percentage of annual trips that resulted in a no catch for outings, i.e. getting skunked, has increased from 35% to 51% over our monitoring period. Furthermore, dolphinfish has dominated the catch in all years but 2022, a year when a steady catch of yellowfin tuna was observed off the north coast of Puerto Rico. 2022 was indeed the best year of this time series, with 70% of trips resulting in catch success, and dolphinfish only appeared in 44% of the successful trip reports. But 2022 was followed by the worst year we observed, with only 46% of trips in 2023 reported as a successful outing, and 70% of those trips had dolphinfish as catch, meaning anglers were not reporting the capture of other meat fish and billfish releases were low. It seems 2024 has started off slow as well, and here I'd like to include additional evidence that spans 14 years of research outings around the island. Since 2010, I've embarked on 117 outings around the island and have focused research effort between the north and south coasts during what is deemed to be the prime months of targeting dorado in Puerto Rico. Over the past 14 outings, which takes me back to the fall of 23, we have not caught a single dolphinfish, and the largest fish that we've encountered over the last 18 outings was a 26.5-inch female, which we put a small satellite tag in. Our research catch success is at the lowest it has been over the 14 years we've been deploying satellite and acoustic tags around the island, and the last successful year for deploying several satellite tags on large dorado was the spring of 2022 off the south coast of Puerto Rico, which was regarded as a solid season off the south coast, and the ensuing fall was good off the north coast. Prior to that, the fall of 2018 and the spring of 2019 were decent years. The take-home message is that over the last 15 months, the offshore pelagic fishery around Puerto Rico has been very poor according to our vessel catch and effort data, as well as our past 19 research outings. In fact, it's been the slowest time period in our past 14 years of conducting research around Puerto Rico. Point being, anglers need management of dorado in Puerto Rico in this region now. The observations presented here show a clear decline in catch success over 2,500 recorded outings and 14 years of directed research outing. Our program also documented a decline in the Florida Keys in the past, but with the addition of this case study, we've now presented evidence in two major parts of the species range that are showing declines. We need management now, not 5 years from now, or the situation is only going to get worse. So check out our newsletter for the data we use to put this statement together. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your participation in our tagging and research program.